Hello, my name is Luis Benitez, and I'm one of the social software product managers at IBM. Today, I want to give you a demo of some of the new capabilities that we have with Lotus Connections 3.0. And that is that in the Files component of Lotus Connections, it now supports CMIS. And the cool thing about CMIS is that there's a bunch of free plugins available right out of the box. So, for example, if we go into this page, which there's a link to it directly in my blog, you can see that there's a CMIS connector for SharePoint, which means that you're going to be able to surface Lotus Connections files directly within SharePoint. Or if you have a Drupal portal, you can certainly do so. Or Joomla, if you're running Joomla, you can surface the connections files directly from those sites. You'll see that there's a couple of clients that are based on Adobe Air, and I'm going to be showing those to you today. There's also a couple of iPhone apps and OpenText, CMIS connector for Adobe Drive, and so forth. There's a bunch, even a WordPress plugin for CMIS. All these capabilities are available to you. Again, this is the URL if you want to see more, but let's go straight to it. So first, let me show you CMIS Explorer. This is a very simple client. So when you open the client for the first time, you actually come into this tab, which is the properties tab. And notice how it's not giving you a lot of information. It's just giving you the URL that I'm connected to, who I'm connected as. If I go into the capabilities, it gives you a little bit more metadata. Notice that I can manage the ACL and so forth. So I mean, this is a very raw client, not something that a lot of people would use. I don't think. However, I do think that it's really powerful because I can actually come into here and actually look at the files that I have uploaded. So notice how I have this spreadsheet that has been uploaded here. I can see all the metadata. It's been recommended 0 times. Here's the description that I gave it. It's being shared publicly with other people. It's been downloaded 20 times. It has 0 comments so far. So all the main information from Connections is coming here. It's not showing it to you in the prettiest way, but it's a good start, I think. One of the things that I thought was pretty cool too is that when you upload, you can actually upload multiple files at the same time. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So if I just select now, it's just going to upload them. So I'm not going to do them. And then finally, there's also a search capability here. It doesn't seem to work for me on this particular client, but there is another CMIS client that it does work. So I'm thinking it's just this specific client that is not working. So the other thing is that, of course, you can navigate through your folders that you have within Connections. So notice how you can see the folders right there and then. And again, you can upload files directly to it, or you can download folders directly. So CMIS Explorer is a nice one. It's kind of basic, definitely not my favorite. So let me show you another one. Let's go over to the one that's called CMIS Spaces. So here's CMIS Spaces. You can see it looks a lot prettier. I like it a lot. You can actually create folders from here. So notice that I now have the same folders are available to me. You can see the files that I have. You can delete them from here. You can copy them and move them to another folder if you wanted to. You can also see the properties just like in the other side. It does look a lot prettier. So notice that this is the presentation. The last modified was scale. It was last modified last year. So this is a pretty old presentation. You can also do a search. So if you're in need for ECM presentations, or let's do a search for connections. So let's do connections, and I click a search. In a couple of seconds, you'll see that all the search results are going to be loaded in the search results tab. And there you have it. So here's all the files that have been returned. It looks like we have about 10 pages of 10 results each. So we have about 100 results that came back. And you can see all the files here. Move them over to a folder, put them anywhere you want to. So it's pretty cool. As I go back to my doc library and show you some of the features, let me pick a file. I'm going to pick, I think this is a good one. And I'm going to go into View and then Version History. So you can actually view the version history directly from here, which is it's pretty cool too. So you can see it's been uploaded 3 different times, and you can see who did it and when and so forth. So I thought that was pretty cool. The other interesting thing is that you can actually make these files available for offline. So I thought that was pretty interesting. So you can actually bring all your files that are living in Connections, bring them offline, modify them if you're on a plane or whatever the case may be, and when you land and you have connectivity back into the server, you click on update from offline, and voila. So you actually have that synchronization going on. So I thought that was pretty cool as well. This interface, it also allows you to upload multiple files at the same time. So it's just like the other one. So in that sense, I think that CMIS Spaces Air is a better implementation. It's available for free. So check my blog for more details. And that's it. Hope you liked it, and hopefully some of you will start using it. And I hope this provides some value to you all. Again, my name is Luis Benitez. I'm one of the social software product managers, and you can learn more about me at lbenitez.com. Thanks.